By August 22, FET could climb 4.2% according to CoinLore. But first, let's take a second to assess the latest price behavior. Right now, FET is trading near $0.1586 after a 17.5% daily increase. Let's step into today's projections now. CoinLore's data implies a move to $0.1642 by August 22, about 4.2% higher than today. CoinPrice forecast anticipates FET could touch and 16 cents, marking a rise close to 1.5%. 30 rates highlights the potential to reach $0.1563 on the downside, a fall of approximately 0.8%. Another forecast by Traders Union expects FET might edge downward to $0.1549, a potential drop of 1.7%. Finally, CoinDataFlow sees a move to $0.1389 by tomorrow, a 11.9% dip. This one gives the best short-term opportunity. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. These are the key takeaways from all 5 forecasts. Taking the whole picture into account, the price could shift anywhere from a drop of 11.9% to a gain of 4.2%, depending on the analyst. Our review shows CoinDataFlow giving the most optimistic forecast with 11.9% gain in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $8 and $119 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to the probability of success, 30 rates' forecast leads the way at 90.3%. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. The consensus outcome points to FET being valued at roughly $0.1549. Now, let's get into the details. Consensus evaluation shows a 1.7% move down. Put simply, your capital could climb by around 1.7% in line with that move. On 1,000, this projection could equal a potential gain of $17. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for FET is about 85.6%. At this stage, let's examine the short-term 3-day predictions from analysts. The short-term signal from CoinLore is clearly bullish. Likewise, CoinPrice forecast expects FET to rise over the next few days. A stronger push upward is meanwhile expected by 30 rates. Traders Union expects losses to extend. Similarly, CoinDataFlow signals a short-term move lower. Overall, the consensus view indicates FET will move lower across this horizon. The consensus of opinions shows 60% leaning bullish, pointing to a higher trajectory for FET. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts appeared online. Let's check how they compared with yesterday's price. As a result, the day closed with the price at $0.1433. Only one forecast managed to capture the correct direction of the move. In terms of accuracy, the winner was Gov Capital. Let's see the breakdown. Not a single prediction was within the actual boundaries. Regarding ROI, just one forecast avoided going negative. Here's a quick summary table. A clear snapshot of forecast performance. Based on the verified data, Traders Union recorded 16% ROI and $0.0207 accuracy. Look through the data and see if your expectations match the results. Now let's see how FET ranks among other assets based on their forecasted returns for tomorrow. KuCoin token takes the lead at 2.5%, while FET sits lower in rank. At the moment, FET is reviewed with 4 cryptocurrencies, but a full comparison featuring many others is already live on my website. You made it this far, and that's awesome. If this was worth your time, a like would be amazing. Catch you tomorrow.